Hey, you know what? Predator was smart though, man. He stayed outside. He didn't get in the crossfire in the mansion at all. Demon, that's what we should have done, buddy. We should have stayed outside and flanked from the outside and went around. Oh, damn it.
And then they were none.
Let's try that this time, Demon. Let's don't try to rush the middle, man. You know, that's kind of like your thing. You like rushing the middle. I've never been a rush in the middle type guy in any fucking shooter. So that's what I'm saying. I'm following freaking Predator around to the other side here. Damn it! Shotted. Yeah, they're all out there trying to get the boomer. Alright. Well, they will with the, whatchamacallit. We'll be able to play Gears 2 and 3 when, Damn! Damn, a high tide is flying over your coast. The tide is caused by God pissing his pants. Good gosh. Don't know how I feel about that one. Yeah, that's kind of odd. Hey, Demon. Having fun out here? I know. See if I can draw him out. See if I can get him to come out here and play with us. I don't think it worked though. I got an assist though, hell yeah. Haven't got any kills, but I got damn assists, baby. Damn it!
My touch.
Oh, he got me. Hey, I'll tell you, but if you can get to it first, it's a good gun to have, dude. Alright, I'm going back in this time. See what's going on inside the mansion here. Alright, Razor, as soon as this match is over, dude, I will jump out and I will invite your ass in. Demon, you slacker. Hey, you've gotten 2 kills, man. I'm not saying too much. You're doing better than I am. Alright, he's outside. I'm gonna go and see if I can catch him coming down. One outside. Let's see, what the hell is he going? Yeah, he's throwing the grenade. Oh, shit. Damn it! Me too. That guy knew what he was doing. He was throwing frags at me, and then I was waiting for him to show his pretty little ugly face, and pff, it just didn't work. Alright, Predator, it's on you, buddy. What? I don't even get that. Hellraiser can make a class that is both abstract and final. What does that even mean? I mean, I know Hellraiser's a bad mofo, but what does that even mean? It was me. It gives me a... When I do them, they give me stupid ones. When you guys do them, they're freaking hilarious.
What? kind of pathetic, lily-livered,
Oh, yeah.
panty-waist
That
bullshit
really,
was
yeah.
that?
All right, so
You're
we're
not
gonna
soldiers,
quit out
you're a
to
bunch of meter
get
maids.
Hellraiser in here now. Demon, that's a good one, brother. That one I like. The circle of life. That's left. Yeah. That one's good. I like that one. That's right. I shit gunpowder. I gotta jump out to the lobby to get you in here. I like that though. That was pretty sweet. All right, so we got going to get old Hellraiser in here, guys. There's gonna be more to the misery. That's right. Not just me and Demon taking all the flack anymore. Oh yeah, that's right, Dre. Yeah, you're right. I got to do the winner. You're right. Thanks for reminding me. Get my ass whooped so much on here, I forget all about it. Hell, yeah. I think I'm the only one that bet yes. So I think you guys get to split $1. A total of 6. That works out to 2. Uh, oh yeah, Hunter. I thought that I'll tell you right now, Savage put DDP on the map, man. If Savage wouldn't have agreed to oh yeah, but that's what I'm saying. If Savage wouldn't have agreed to job for DDP, he would have never become the star he did, man. I mean, don't get me wrong. DDP had one of the best badasses finishers of all time. The Diamond Cutter, man, was the big thing even before the Stone Cold Stunner. So I mean, yeah, most definitely, I've got to give DDP props for that. But that rivalry, it freaking main evented 3 pay-per-views. So yeah, it was a hell of a rivalry, man. 997 is the one time he wins. He only wins $2. All right, well, we're going to make this one a little bit more interesting here. All right, and I'm gonna be the outside looking in here. Who's gonna get more kills, Demon or Razor? That's right. Yours truly is not even going to put himself in the mix, guys. All right, so either put Demon or Hell. Either Demon or Hell. So there you go. Get your bets in, man. I'm sitting out on this one. Razor put 1 on Demon. that's that's funny. That is funny. So Demon, you got to bet on Razor. Damn, 987 put 100 on Hellraiser. Damn. 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 And Demon put, of course, he puts double exclamation points in the bot. Is like, what the fuck does that mean, dude? All right, we are in the courtyard, and all right, so who's it gonna be? Man, I've got to go with Demon, man. I mean, and it's nothing against Razor. It's just that Demon has he's been playing it more tonight, so he's been a little, he yeah, but I'm just saying that he's not. You're a little rusty. You know what I'm saying? This is your first match. Then again, you could come out on a hot streak from hell too. So we'll see. Wow. These two cats sitting here throwing down, talking smack about Halo now, guys. Me personally, I've always been more of a Gears fan. Yes, very true. All right, let's go. Let's go get the freaking middle here. This is the one. This is the one map that I will agree with Demon. That is a good strategy, is to take the freaking middle first. What the hell? They flanked me from behind, guys. Somebody come save my ass. Somebody save me. Damn it, I'm down. I agree, 9987. I love Gears, man. Halo's a good game, but for just the visceral of the game and it being so different, I like Gears more because there's a million first-person shooters like Halo. Damn, they got a sniper up there, man. They are... Yeah, I don't even want to put my head out. I really don't. I'm just cover firing, baby. Damn it! Now, how in the hell did he snipe me out of a freaking crouch? Oh my god. Look at this. We're getting attacked in the freaking spawn, man. What the hell was that? What the hell was that, guys? Pyro left us, man. It's 3-on-4 now, and they've got a 61-38 and something else. Yeah, but 9987, tell me one other game where you can chainsaw a son of a bitch in half. That's a shooter. Name just one game. What, and die? The hell with that? Damn it! Got sniped in a row. Got sniped. Look at that. 13 lives remaining. It's not over yet, though, guys. Demon is in the lead. You can still bet on Demon if you want. But, Hellraiser has a chance for a comeback right here. We shall see if Hellraiser is able to at least get one kill. Even if it's a dirt kill, you know. I mean, a garbage kill. Alright, we got Flip War Freak in here. Well, I doubt you guys end up with the same amount of points.
Damn it.
I knew that was happening. Oh, and I got your ass. Hey, I killed the son of a bitch. He stuck me, but by God, I got him. I rolled right up on his little cherry picking ass. Saints Row? Can you really chainsaw somebody in Saints Row? Damn it. Yeah, my kids play Saints Row. I gotta be honest, I've never done Saints Row, so I don't know anything about it. Damn, Demon. Damn. Damn. Well, hell, me and Demon are the only two that even have a kill. Period. Oh my god, I'm sitting there looking at the freaking stats and bam, get my head blown the fuck off. Wherever the hell he wants to be, brother. Hellraiser just got a kill. Oh shit. Razor got one though. Oh, damn, Demon. Damn, I guarantee you that gave you a headache. Man. Yeah, this is just... Hell, I don't know why I'm shooting you, Hellraiser. I get an itchy trigger finger, I guess. Oh, here they come. They're attacking. Alright, go out and get a kill, Razor.